Hey there guys, in case you haven't opened up Roblox Studio in a while, now you have the option to learn Roblox Studio from the pros. Today when I just opened up Roblox Studio to create a game, I came to the screen and I see this button right here. It says Learn Studio. I wonder what it is, so let's take a look. And here it is. You can now learn Roblox Studio directly from the pros. Let's take a look. Let's start by taking the studio tour to see what the pro has to say about this. So when you first start, it shows you all the different keys that you can use to move your camera. Let's move to the next one. You can also use the E and Q key to move the camera up and down. And you use the scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Rotating the camera, hold down the right mouse button and then move your mouse. And the next thing it's showing you is about the marketplace. I believe the marketplace has been renamed to the creator store, but I guess a lot of places they still refer to it as the marketplace. They're showing you how to search the marketplace for a car and how to get the item from the marketplace and place them inside your game. Here they're showing you how to insert a part into your game, how to move a part, how to rotate a part, how to scale a part, resize a part, and how to change the color of your parts. Oh, and here is the anchor property. So to anchor a part, all you need to do is click on this. And here is the Explorer. Inside the Explorer, you have the workspace, and the F key is to put a part in focus. And here is the properties window. And wow, check this out. You can change the max speed of the car, getting very advanced, very quickly. Here's the playtest button. So while you're playtesting, to control your avatar, you use the same key as before, the WASD key. Press E to enter the car, and then you can drive it. When you're all done, you can press stop, and that's it. You have completed the course. And now I should get my certificate for completing this course. Let's see if they're gonna give it to me. It doesn't say anything, so probably they're not gonna give me a certificate of completion for completing this course. But anyway, that was a quick tutorial on how to use Roblox Studio. Let's see what happened if I've selected the other option. The other option is Learn with Tutorials. Continue your journey with tutorials and discover how to build and script complete experiences in Studio. Sounds like this is going to be a much longer tutorial. Let's click on Open Tutorials and take a look.
Very nice. Excellent, this is very nice. Now you can find everything in one place inside Roblox Studio. And guys, that is the quick tour of the new update inside Roblox Studio.